Programming your Remi 3000 using the diffuser functions. This diffuser can be operated using the 4-button functions located below the programming display. The right arrow allows you to move over to the next setting. Use the up arrow to change each individual setting. Press Enter to confirm your selection and save your settings. Use the back button to move back to the previous setting. Long press the back button to turn on the fan if you are using the diffuser as a standalone device. Adjusting current time settings. Press the up and right arrows at the same time to enter the current time settings menu. You will see the device's current time blinking. Note: this device runs on military time, which means that it uses a 24-hour clock. Press the up arrow to adjust the current time in hours. Then press the right arrow to move over to the next setting and adjust the time by the minute. Below the current time, you will see the current date starting with the year, then the month, and lastly, the day. Adjust the current date by pressing the right arrow to move over to the next selection, and then press the up arrow to make your adjustments. Once you have set the current time and date in your diffuser, press Enter to save your settings. Setting a custom schedule. Press the right arrow once to enter the programming menu. The day of the week will begin to blink. Note: Programming Monday will set the same program for the rest of the week. We recommend Programming Monday first. You can come back to this menu and program any specific day of the week later. Press Enter to confirm the day of the week you wish to program. The number 1 for the program will begin to blink. This means one of 5 different programming configurations you can set with this diffuser. Press the right arrow to set the hours of operation. You will notice the hour of the start time beginning to blink. Set the hour you would like the diffuser to start running. Once you have set the start time, use the right arrow to move over to the end time and adjust as needed. Misting frequency settings. Once you have set your desired hours of operation, press the right arrow to reach the W or working time settings. Note: the working time shows how long your diffuser will diffuse after each interval. Set the time in seconds for how long you would like the diffuser to diffuse at a time. 20 seconds can be a good starting point. Use the right arrow to move over to the P or pause time settings. Note: the pause time is the interval of time in between each diffusion. Set the time in seconds for how long you would like the diffuser to pause in between each interval. If you were to set your pause time at 60 seconds, the diffuser will diffuse for 20 seconds and then stop for 60 seconds, and it will run on that cycle for as long as programmed in the hours of operation. Once you have set your working and pause times, press Enter to save your settings. If you want to adjust programming for one specific day of the week, you would simply go to the programming menu, select the day, set the desired program, and press Enter to save your settings. Resetting your programming to factory settings. Press and hold the back and right arrow buttons at the same time until you get to the System Reset menu. Use the right arrow to choose Yes or No. Then press Enter to confirm your setting. Thank you for watching our Remi 3000 tutorial in how to set up and program your diffuser so you can start creating a memorable experience using scent in your space. Visit our website, reminiscentllc.com, for more information and follow our social media channels for updates and special offers.